Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I transform this shirt into this shirt using the reverse tie-dye method, then go ahead and keep watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you. For this transformation, I'll be using a black shirt, bleach, gloves, elastic band, and a spray bottle. Okay, so to get started, lay the shirt on a flat surface. You can use any tie-dye method for this, but I'm just going to smoosh or crunch the shirt together and then use my elastic bands to keep it in place. Okay, so once I've done that, I can apply the bleach. I already poured it out into my spray bottle because it's just so much easier than just trying to pour the bleach over on the shirt itself. Okay, now I'm going to spray the bleach all over. You can get inside the creases and all that if you'd like to get more color than black, but I'm just going to freestyle it. I'm just gonna freestyle it, spray it all over and see what it looks like in the end. If you look closely, you can see it's already changing. That's how fast this works, guys. If you've ever gotten bleach on your clothes, you know as soon as you get it on it there, the color changes just like that. So just flip the shirt over and spray the back as well. Okay, so this part just depends on how light you want the shirt to be. I walked away for a couple minutes, came back, and it was already to my desired color, so I'm not gonna let it sit for much longer. Once you've achieved the color that you want, then go ahead and take the elastic off. After you take the elastic off, then just wash it out in a sink or a bucket in cold water, and after that you can just throw it into the washer. So now I'm just rinsing out, trying to get the bleach out. Yes guys, and that's just pretty much it. That's how easy it is to achieve this reverse tie-dye.